Good morning, students. Hope that you are fine and seen my first video on the similar triangles. Those who have not seen, before watching this video, just you can see the similar triangles part 1 so that the second video you can understand better. We have seen a very important theorem, that is the basic proportionality theorem, which is also called as the Thales theorem in the first video. And what it says, in any triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle which intersects the other two sides at distinct points, then the two sides are proportional to each other, or the line divides the two sides in the same ratio. So, we have got enough practice. We got enough practice in the first video. Now, I have a small doubt. See here. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. And I have drawn a parallel line to the base. I can call it as ABC and PQ. I say in triangle ABC, PQ is a parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. And if I give you, अगर मैं आपको दे रहा हूं कि PQ और BC आपस में पैरेलल है, इन टर्न आप क्या कह सकते हैं, ये आपको पता है. You can write AP divided by PB is equals to AQ divided by QC. तो आपको पता है. लेकिन क्या मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूं? AP by PB के बदले में can I write AP divided by AB? Then AP divided by AB is equals to AQ divided by AC. क्या मैं लिख सकता हूँ? Yes, definitely you can write. लेकिन ये कैसा? That I am going to show today. देखिए, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि जब A दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है, AP by PB is equals to AQ by QC. ये तो Thales theorem is telling like this, or this is the result of the Thales theorem. But we can do like this also. How it has come, I will tell you that. Look at it. Okay. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. This is given. Therefore, I can write AP divided by PB is equals to AQ divided by QC. This is from where? This is called as basic proportionality theorem, what we learned in the first video. AP by PB is equals to AQ by QC. अब देखो, how from this result only, how I will obtain this? इसको मैं पहला reciprocal करूँ. I will make a reciprocal. Therefore, I will write PB divided by AP is equals to AQ divided by QC. I have told you earlier also, it is not necessary. You should write like this, AP by PB. Not necessary. You can write BP by AP is equals to QC by AQ. You can write. Same thing I have written. Oh, PB by, sorry. Yes, it is reciprocal on both sides. I'm very sorry. Okay. PB by AP is equals to QC divided by AQ. Okay. I will take a reciprocal. What I will do now? Adding 1 on both hand sides. Adding 1 on दोनों तरफ में 1 ऐड कर दो. तो क्या होता है? देखो, दोनों is equals to QC divided by AQ plus 1. दोनों तरफ में 1 ऐड कर दिया because you know that when equals are added to equals, the whole are equal. The 9th class property of studied in the Euclid geometry. Already these are equal. उसको मैं equals are added to the equals. The whole are equals to each other. Come on, what will happen now? I'll take the LCM. The one, leave the one. LCM is 80. What about numerator? It is PB plus AP. देखो LCM AP हो गया डिस्टोर से, मतलब AP यहाँ आ गया, इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया, PP AP आ गया is equals to this is AQ. What about the numerator? QC plus AQ. Come on. What is PB plus AP? PB plus AP दोनों मिलाकर आ गया AB. AB divided by AB is equals to QC plus AQ. QC plus AQ gives you AC. AC is by AQ. मुझे क्या चाहिए? मुझे AP को करना था, उसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. Therefore, AP divided by AB is equals to AQ divided by AC. This is called corollary of basic proportionality theorem. A रिजल्ट भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. you can use this result also. उतना ही नहीं, देखो मैंने लिखा AP by AB is equals to AQ by AC. आप उसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Similarly we can prove ऐसा PB divided by AB is equals to QC divided by AC. This is also called as corollary of basic proportionality theorem. देख मतलब हमारे पास दो corollary है और एक बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम है. उससे हम जैसा चाहे वैसा प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी लिख सकते हैं. ये सब नोट करो. हम एक फिगर के लिए प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. बीपीटी एज वेल एज दिस corollary we will practice for one. Come on. We will take one triangle and we will practice. Okay? Come on. We'll rub all these things. Yes. For only one problem, we will practice. Yes. Okay. Yes. I will call it as P, Q, R, M, N. Come on. Or I am giving you in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, what? MN is parallel to PQ. चलो अगर मैं ऐसा देखता हूं तो what BPT says actually theorem क्या कहता है? You can start from here Rn or you can start from here also. Rn by NQ. I can write in these two in parallel PQR. If MN is parallel to PQ तो मैं लिख सकता हूं then come on. How to write BPT? Rn divided by NQ. Rn divided by NQ is equals to Rn by NQ is equals to Rm by NP. Rm by NP. because of basic proportionality theorem. My dear children, don't get confused. आप इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं NQ by NR is equals to PM by MR. Absolutely no problem. Absolutely no problem. आप लिख सकते हैं. Okay? Come on. अब मैं उसका corollary करना चाहता हूँ. I want to write the corollary. Corollary मतलब एक छोटा सा रहेगा, एक बड़ा वाला साइड रहेगा. जब हम फेस थ्योरम की बात करते हैं, दोनों छोटे-छोटे पीस आएंगे. This by this, this by this. इसमें कोई कंप्लीट साइड लेंगे. जब एक कंप्लीट साइड लेंगे, ये कॉल कैसे करोगे? कम ऑन, स्टार्ट करोगे. QN divided by QR is equals to QN by QR is equals to PM by PR. PM by PR. This is called corollary of basic proportionality theorem. जब मैंने एक बात किया, एक कंप्लीट साइड, एक बात किया, एक कंप्लीट साइड, उसको मैं ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूँ. I can write like this also, and I can write RN by RQR. What am I saying? RN by QR is equals to MR divided by PR. MR divided by PR. This is also called as corollary of DG. This much, my dear children, you have to keep in mind regarding the basic proportionality theorem and their corollaries. So far we have seen what is Thayer's theorem and what are their corollaries. Now let us see how to implement those results in a particular problem. Now we have 4 problems on the board. ABC is a triangle, D and E are the points on the side AB and AC respectively. Let me draw one figure. Okay. Okay, ABC is a triangle. Okay, and D and E are the points on AB and AC such that D is parallel to AC. I have to draw one parallel. Okay, I can say D is a point on AB, D is a point on AB, and E is a point on AC. E is a point on AC such that these two are parallel to each other. Okay, what do they say? AD is given, DB is given, DB is given, AD is given, AD is given. Find AC. See what I will do? I will write here first. AD 6 cm, DB 9 cm, AE 8 cm. Find AC. What I can do, my dear children? I can apply directly the basic proportionality theorem. What it says? If these two are parallel, then AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. First you find the length of EC, add both, you are getting the length of AC. That is the end of the problem. This is a simple 2 marks question in the examination. How I can start? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. This is very important. Unless they give, जब तक आपको पैरेलल नहीं दिया जाएगा, आप बीटी को यूज नहीं कर सकते. Keep in mind, आपको पहले पैरेलल देना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, these two are parallel. Therefore, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. आपको AC पूछा है, लेकिन आपको पहले EC पता करना है. Okay, come on. 6 by 9 is equals to 8 by EC. EC मुझे पहले पता करने दो. Okay, क्या करूँगा मैं? वर्क हो जाएगा। इसी इधर 6 नीचे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन और 9 इधर, आई कैन राइट देयरफॉर EC इज इक्वल, चलो EC यहां चला गया तो 8 into 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 नीचे आ गया, इट इज 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are, आंसर हो गया 12 सेंटीमीटर। किसका लेंथ है? EC का लेंथ है 12 सेंटीमीटर हो गया। अब आपको पूछा गया है AC, therefore AC is equals to 6 plus 12, answer is 18 सेंटीमीटर is the answer। कई बच्चे ऐसा बोल सकते हैं सर मेरे पास दूसरा मेथड है, वेरी गुड, कर सकते हैं वैसा जैसा आपने सोचा हो वैसा। पहले इसको ऐड करें, AD डिवाइडेड बाय AB, देखो AD डिवाइडेड बाय AB इज इक्वल टू AD डिवाइडेड बाय EC, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं आप। लेकिन फिलहाल मैं इसको ऐसा रख देता हूं, यू आर गेटिंग द आंसर एज 18। कम ऑन, लेट्स गो फॉर द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम। व्हाट इज गिवन? रेशियो इज गिवन AD by DB, AD by DB दिया है, उसके बाद AC दिया है, AC दिया है, फाइंड AE। ओके, इसको मैं यहां से रब कर दूं। ओके, देखो AD by DB मेरे पास दो मेथड है सॉल्व करने के लिए। मैं यहाँ DB के लिए लगा सकता हूँ, उसका कॉरोलरी के लिए लगा सकता हूँ। देखो मैं इसको कैसा मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ। ओके, एक टोटल AC 18 सेंटीमीटर, टोटल AC 18 सेंटीमीटर है, टोटल AC 18 सेंटीमीटर है। मैं इसको x कहूंगा तो A पोर्शन बन गया 18 माइनस x। याद है जब टोटल लेंथ 18 है, समझो टोटल लेंथ 18 मतलब A 10 है तो A तो 8 होना चाहिए। 18 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल्स टू 8, तो टोटल 18 में इसको जब x मान होगा तो A होगा 18 माइनस x। चलो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो। इन सेकंड ABC B is parallel to BC, therefore AD divided by DB is equals to AE divided by EC. This is because of basic proportionality theorem. Come on, substitute करो। AD by DB का वैल्यू आपके पास पता है 2/3 is equals to AX divided by 18 minus x. Come on, cross multiply. It is 2 into 18 minus x is equals to 2 into 18 minus x is equals to 3x. Open the bracket, 18 is 36 minus 2x is equals to 3x. Is equals to 3x. Come on. 36 is equals to 3x plus 2x gives you 5x. 3x plus 2x gives you 5x. Therefore, x is equals to 36 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 1 remains 10. 5 2s are 20. X is equals to 7.2 centimeter. What last? Find AE. AE means x. Therefore, AE is equals to 7.2 centimeter is the answer. अगर आपको EC पूछा है 18 minus 7.2 कर दो, आएगा आंसर 10.8 सेंटीमीटर। दैट इज द एंड ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम। देख हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम। ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम नाउ। वी आर गोइंग टू द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम। व्हाट इज गिवन? व्हाट इज गिवन? AD is 4. AD is 4. AE is 8. Okay, AE is 8. DB x minus 4, x minus 4, and this is 3x minus 19. 3x minus 19. कम ऑन, इसको भी हम सॉल्व कर देंगे। Now, before I solve this problem, what I sincerely advise you, now pause the video, don't see the answer and solve it yourself. Now you are confident, now you understood how to solve the problems, and don't wait for me. Okay, pause the video, solve the remaining two problems, then verify with my answer whether you are correct or not. Come on. Yes, AD by DB is equals to AD by DC. Okay, AD is 4 divided by DB. DB is x minus 4 is equals to 8 divided by 3x minus 19. 3x minus 19. Cross multiply. It is 4 into 3x minus 19 is equals to 8 into x minus 4. X minus 4. Now all of you, listen to me 1 minute. This can be simplified. I can tell this, but you should not commit the mistakes. See, this numerator is 4, this numerator is 8. You can cancel this. You don't ask how the numerators cancel. It's possible. But if you bring it to the denominator, it is 4 by 8. Just to understand what I am telling you. If you are bringing this to the denominator, right, it will be 4 by 8. You can cancel them. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Like that, you can cancel this, and your answer will be simple. Now, no problem. I will multiply directly to avoid your confusion. Okay. 12x minus 94 are 76 is equal to 8x minus 32. Bring this 8x to the LHS, 76 to the RHS. 12x minus 8x is equals to it is minus 32 plus 76. 4x is equals to 1 plus and 1 minus 76 minus 32 gives you 44. 44 76. Yes, it is 44. Isn't it? 76. Okay. Therefore, x is equals to 44 by 4. Therefore, x is equals to 11. What they ask you? Find the value of x. Suppose you want to verify your answer. After finding the value of x, suppose you want to verify your answer. What can be done? That I will tell you. See, x minus 4. X means 11. 11 minus 4, this gives you 7. That means the ratio is 4 by 7 here. There also ratio must be 4 by 7 only. Come on. 3x. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. 33 minus 19. 33 minus 19 gives you 30 minus 9 gives you 4. Is it 24? Oh, somewhere the problem is wrong. Somewhere the problem is wrong. X minus 4. X minus 4. 3x minus 19. X. Oh, sorry. 33 minus 19 gives you, it is 30 minus 9 is 4 and it is 14. This answer is 14. This answer is 14. Okay. Now you see, the answer is 14. 4 by 7, and this is when you divide these two, it is 2 4s are 2 7s are. Answer is 4 by 7. The ratio remains the same. This is how you can verify your answer. Okay. Coming to the last problem. What is given? AD is x. DB is x minus 2. DB is x minus 2. A is x plus 2. This is x plus 2. And EC is x minus 1. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay. AD x divided plus 2 divided by x minus 1. X minus cross multiply x into x minus 1 is equals to x plus 2 into x minus 2. This is a monomial into binomial. A monomial into binomial. X into x, x square. X into minus 1 minus x is equals to. This is no doubt a binomial into binomial. No doubt a binomial into binomial. But I can factorize. I can expand a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, a minus b into a square minus b square. A square minus b square. This is x square minus x is equals to x square minus 4. I can shift this x square to the left hand side. Then these two are getting cancelled. Minus x is equals to minus 4 means x is equals to 4. That is the end of the problem. Okay, these are 2 more problems for you. What I can call it as the application of Thales theorem. How we can apply the Thales theorem to a particular problem. Both problems not there of the trapezium only. Okay, let's take the first one. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. You know the properties of trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. These are the two parallels. Okay. AB is parallel to BC. AB is parallel to BC. E and F are the points on the non-parallel sides. These are called as the non-parallel sides, and E and F are the points. E and F are the points. And you call this point E. It is not a midpoint. It is any point on AB, and F is any point on BC. But the condition is given such that EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. Okay. EF is parallel to AB. AB is parallel to BC. That means all the three are parallel to each other. Okay. Show that A by ED is equals to BF by FC. Very simple. My dear children, one point has to be noticed. एक बात आपको हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए. ये जो basic proportionality theorem can be applied only for a triangle. Only for a triangle. वो trapezium के लिए अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते आप. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? एक आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लेना है. आप कोई एक डायगोनल को जोड़ दो. You can go for the construction. Join one of the diagonal. That diagonal intersects EF, say at point M. At point, okay? Let me solve this problem. I can start like this. What is given? What is given? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. और क्या किया है? AB is parallel to BC. This one is given. Okay? आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? What is to be proved? आपको प्रूव करना है AB divided by ED is equals to BF divided by FC. आपको प्रूव करना है. इसके लिए एक कंस्ट्रक्शन की जरूरत है. I will write here the next step construction. The third step क्या construction? Join AC. Join AC to intersect EF at M. To join AC to intersect EF at M. चलो अब अगला पार्ट है उसका सॉल्यूशन. इट्स नॉट ए प्रूफ. ये थ्योरम नहीं है, एक प्रॉब्लम है. आई विल राइट द सॉल्यूशन. इसको कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे? वेरी सिंपल. चलो आप एक ट्रायंगल ले लो ADC. इन ट्रायंगल ADC कैन आई से EM is parallel to BC। यदि तीनों आपस में पैरेलल है तो ये EM भी BC के लिए पैरेलल होना ही चाहिए। I can say EM is parallel to DC। जब एक ट्रायंगल में जब एक पैरेलल मिल जाता है तब आप डेफिनेटली थेल्स थ्योरम यूज कर सकते हैं। Therefore I can write AE by ED is equals to AM by MC, AM by MC। This is because of basic proportionality theorem। इसको आप कहो इक्वेशन नंबर 1। इक्वेशन नंबर, उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, मैं एक दूसरा वाला ट्रायंगल ले लूंगा। मुझे क्या प्रूव करना था, AE by ED is equals to BF by FC। मुझे AE by ED तो मिल गए, AE by ED तो मिल गया, अब दूसरा ट्रायंगल से BF by FC को लेना है। कम ऑन, इन ट्रायंगल ABC, इन ट्रायंगल ABC MF is parallel to AB, MF is parallel to AB। So what? जब आपको पैरेलल मिल ही गया आप उसको बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम अप्लाई कर सकते हो। AM by MC, चाहे तो आप CM by AB लिख सकते थे, लेकिन यहां मेरे पास ऑलरेडी AM by MC इधर है, इसको मुझे कैंसिल करना है तो मैं लिखूंगा AM by MC is equals to AM by MC is equals to BF by FC, BF by FC। This is because of basic proportionality theorem। इसको कहो इक्वेशन 2। From 1 and 2 क्या हो गया, 1 and 2 से AM by MC आपस में कैंसिल, चलो क्या बच गया, AE by ED is equals to BF by FC, AE by ED is equals to BF by FC। From 1 and 2 you can write AE by ED is equals to BF by FC। That is the end of the problem। Very simple, very simple 2 marks question based on basic proportionality theorem। Okay, now this is today's last part। Okay, we will wind up with that problem। Okay, come on, let us rub all these things not required। Let me retain the same figure। What is it? Yes, ABC is a trapezium, ABCD is a trapezium already there with me। AD is parallel to BC, AB is parallel to BC, AB मेरे पास अवेलेबल है, लेकिन ये नहीं है, A नहीं, ओके, ये नहीं है। What they say? The diagonals intersect each other at O। दोनों diagonals को मुझे ज्वाइन करना है, वो दोनों diagonals आपस में मिल रहे हैं at point O। Those two diagonals are intersect each other at point O। दोनों आपस में मिल रहे हैं at point O। Show that AO by OC is equals to BO by OD। देखो, आप अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो एक प्रॉब्लम तो आएगा नहीं। एक बात याद रखना है आपको, हमेशा एक बात याद रखना है, BPT यूज करने के लिए ट्रायंगल की जरूरत है। दूसरी बात वो है पैरेलल की जरूरत है। पैरेलल अगर नहीं है, नो BPT। कीप इन माइंड, ट्रायंगल मस्ट बी देयर एंड लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, पैरेलल लाइन्स मस्ट बी देयर। इसमें मैं एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करूंगा मैं इधर, गो फॉर ए कंस्ट्रक्शन। इसमें क्या करूंगा मैं, सिर्फ पॉइंट O से एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करूंगा। एंड ड्रॉ वन पैरेलल, इतना ही मुझे करना है, एक पैरेलल, इसको कहो OP। बस दैट्स ऑल। यहां से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे प्रॉब्लम। कम ऑन, गिवन व्हाट is given? ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. चाहे तो कमांड कर लिख लो. AB is parallel to BC. बस. उसके बाद what is to be proved? मुझे क्या प्रूव करना चाहिए? AO by BO. AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. मुझे प्रूव करना है. मैंने एक कंस्ट्रक्शन कर लिया है. I have taken a construction. I have made a construction. What is it? Draw OP parallel to. Draw OP parallel to. चाहे इसको parallel को या इसको parallel को, ये तो सेम है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी दो का parallel to each other. OP is parallel to AB. चाहे देखो parallel to DC, one and the same. Okay, दोनों को भी parallel हो गए. Okay, now you will start the solution. See the solution. मेरा सॉल्यूशन देखने से पहले आप पॉज कर लो, खुद सोचो, डेफिनेटली आपको आंसर आएगा. इफ यू आर गेटिंग वेल एंड गुड, दैट विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. जब नहीं आया, डोंट वरी, बिकॉज दिस इज द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. ओके, जब थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा, डेफिनेटली अंडरस्टैंड. डोंट वरी स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, क्या करें? फर्स्ट आई विल टेक दिस ट्रायंगल एडीसी. इन ट्रायंगल एडीसी OP is parallel to BC. OP is parallel to BC. Come on, DP क्या अप्लाई करो? ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है, मतलब AP by PD. AP by PD is equals to AO by OC. AO by OC. This is because of basic proportionality theorem. Call it as equation. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप ऐसा सोचते हो कि मैं दोबारा एक ट्रायंगल ले लूं क्योंकि वहां पैरेलल है ही नहीं, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? फर्स्ट मैंने एक ट्रायंगल ले लिया एडीसी. अब मैं ले लूंगा ABD. कम ऑन, एक ट्रायंगल. ओके, इन ट्रायंगल ABD, इन ट्रायंगल ABD, फिर ये दोनों आप पहले ये दोनों पैरेलल थे, अब ये दोनों पैरेलल. OP is a parallel to AB. ओके, कंस्ट्रक्शन है. Therefore कैसा लिखूंगा? यहां से मैं स्टार्ट कर सकता था, DP by AP लिख सकता था, लेकिन मेरे पास ऑलरेडी AP by PD है. मुझे आगे कैंसिल करना है इसको, इसलिए मैं लिखूंगा ऐसा AP by PD. Therefore AP by PD is equal to this by this is equal to this by this. BO divided by OD. Basic proportionality theorem, equation number 2. Come on students, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 आपका क्या कैसे हो गया? AP by BD gets cancelled and you can write AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. That is the end of the problem. See, this is how we can solve the problems using basic proportionality theorem. My dear children, there are so many problems yet to come. Okay? Definitely you will understand better. Those who have already understood, got their confidence level up, well and good. अगर नहीं है, don't worry, मैं हूँ आपके साथ. When few more problems that when you solve, definitely you will understand still better. Okay students, till then, bye, take care.